are always available to answer your questions. We hope you've enjoyed this look inside the Walt Disney World Resort. All of us at DME TV hope you have a magical stay and build memories that will last a lifetime. We leave you with words of welcome from our original Disney cast member, Walt Disney himself.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Here age relives fond memories of the past. And here you may savor the challenge and promise of the future. With the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world. Finding merchandise. You can do a keyword search and browse by different categories.